this video I'm going to show you how to create some division bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial scheme of Bingo Card Printer, and you can see the two main options: create new bingo card project or continue working on an existing project. Open an existing project. So I'll say create new bingo card project. I now have a choice of what kind of bingo cards I'd like to create. I can choose a blank bingo card, choose alphabet numbers, I can choose school subjects like geography, history, science, math of course, which is the one I'm going to choose, although there are also events like birthdays, baby showers, holidays, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, so forth, English as a second language, but we're using math, so we're going to go to math, and then I can scroll down to the one I want. There's quite a lot of different options in math here. The ones I want is division, several division options corresponding to easy, so 4 divided by 2 for example, very easy single digit division, and then increasing up in level of difficulty up to 4 or 5 digit numbers being divided by a 2-digit number. So I simply select the one I want. I'll say for the easy one in this example, I either click in it once and then click OK, or I double click on it. I'll do that first thing, click OK, and there's my divisions. Now I can also customize this list. I could type in additional questions here or additional items. I don't necessarily have to follow the patterns of the ones in there. And if I wanted to remove anything, I can highlight the item. For example, I want to remove 30 divided by 2, I highlight it and then click delete. So you can customize the list of items. You can also customize the size and appearance of the bingo cards. I can make a 3x3 bingo card, 4x4, 5x5, which I started with, or a larger one like 6x6, 7x7. But in my demonstration I will use 5x5 just so you can see on screen what's happening. I can choose whether or not to have the heading on the bingo card, change what the text of the heading says, and if I wanted to, choose whether or not to have the free space in the centre of the bingo card and what the free space text is. I can also change the colours and fonts if I want to. So for example, I can change the heading colour to be light green, and I'll change the free space square to have yellow text on a blue background, for example. And if I click OK, you'll see that's my new colour scheme. Now if I'm ready to print, I would look at printing options, which are on the right hand side over here. First option is print a call list. That's basically this list of items in random order. Very useful if you're using bingo cards in a classroom situation, as you then have a printed reference as a bingo caller to use. If you don't want a call list, you simply uncheck it, but I'll leave it checked so that you can see what the call list looks like. There is also an option called Call Game, which I'll show you at the end of the video, where the software helps you choose items dynamically during live gameplay if you're the bingo caller. So we'll show you that at the end, but we'll leave the call list on for now. How many bingo cards do I want to print per page? Put more than one bingo card on each page I print. That allows me to save paper if I'm printing a lot of bingo cards. The disadvantage is the bingo cards might be smaller, and if I want to give one bingo card to each player, I might have to cut the paper up. So in my demonstration I'll leave that on 1 for now. And how many bingo cards do I want? I can put in any number between 1 and 9,999, and every bingo card will be a different combination of these items in a different random order. So in my demonstration I'm going to put 50. Now ready to print, I'm going to do print preview so you can see what the printout would look like on screen. First page is the call list. There's quite a lot of items in this call list that's actually gone into a second column, and in fact if I click next page you'll see it's actually gone onto a second page as well. How much space and how many columns you need for your call list really depends on how many items you have. Most of the time you'll fit them into a single page and a single column. If I do next page, you'll also see the first bingo card here, and if I zoom out you'll be able to see the whole card. And if I do next page again, you'll see the second bingo card has a different set of items on it, and the third one is different, the fourth one is different, and every one of the 50 bingo cards that I chose to print is in fact different. That's it for printing and preparing the bingo cards. I did say I'd show you the Call Game option. If I go to the Play menu, click Call Game, it will allow me to choose one item at random from the list, display it on the right hand side, and on the left hand side it shows the current item and any previous item. So when I click next it will choose a new current item, and the new current item is now top, and the previous item is second. If I do next again, I get a new current item, and I have previous items, and so on. So it's another way that the bingo caller can select items to call out. And that's basically it. If you go to bingocardprinter.com, you can download a free trial version of the software, try it out, see how you like it. The free trial version is of course free. It is compatible with all recent versions of Windows, and it comes with hundreds of ready-to-use bingo templates to get you started. And if you like the free trial version, you can upgrade to the registered version of the software, which allows you to do everything you've seen in this video and a lot more besides. And that's it. So go to bingocardprinter.com, download the free trial, try it out, see how you get on. Hopefully decide to upgrade to the full version. Thank you very much.